wants higher rental returns than residential in Dubai? Hear how smart investors choose commercial property in Dubai. A key goal of Dubai Economic Agenda D33 is to double the size of Dubai economy over the next decade and to consolidate its position among the top 3 global cities. Dubai real estate boom, tourism, in 2024, 18.72 million tourists came to Dubai, and in quarter 1 2025 it was 5.31 million just in one quarter, in first quarter of 2025. And Dubai is an FDI, foreign direct investment, number one in F&B. Hospitality revenue hits 11.5 billion in first 9 months of 2024, 7% year-to-year growth in the aviation industry and rapidly growing luxury retail industry. Dubai Mall achieved a record of 111 million visitors in 2024, surpassing the previous high of 105 million in 2023. Population, currently population of Dubai is 4 million and it's projected to be 7.8 million by 2040. Powered by demand, driven by vision. Businesses, 25.6 trillion targets by D33 agenda, 60 billion annual FDI goal, doubling investors inflow, AED 1 trillion private investment in next decade, $35 billion in Al Maktoum International Airport to be operational in 2032. 500 plus FDI projects and 11 billion inflow cement Dubai's global business hub status. Growth primarily driven by the government D33 agenda aiming to position Dubai among the world's top 3 global business centers, the safest, fastest and most connected. Dubai Chamber of Commerce recorded 70,000 new business registration in 2024, marking an 18% year-to-year growth. I will give you the details later of these businesses licenses. Retail, if we see the retail, the outlook for Dubai retail sector remains optimistic, with retail sales projected to grow by 6% between 2025 to 2027. In quarter 1 2025, retail leasing reached 36,000 transactions worth up 3.4 billion dirham. UAE retail sales are expected to reach dirham 259 billion by 2025. Majid Al Futtaim announced AED 5 billion, which is $1.36 billion expansion mall of the Emirates, and it's a continued top tier investment in retail real estate. And AED 1.5 billion expansion of Dubai Mall is underway, adding 240 luxury retails dining outlets, reinforcing its status as a global retail destination. Why commercial real estate is the investor's choice? So Dubai offices market sustained momentum and investor confidence. As I told you earlier, this project, any commercial property, why they are giving high ROI than residential, and why smart investor they are choosing commercial property than residential property. So the volume increases indicates a shift toward mid-tier offices assets and evolving buyer preferences. Growth is driven by business expansion, foreign investment in post-pandemic recovery, reinforcing confidence in the sector. The market retail remains resilient and active with steady demand from both investor and end user across Dubai. 78% of Dubai of office transaction in 2024 were for mid-size units ranging from 900 to 2000 square feet, positioning Alex as an ideal investment for highly demanding mid-size units. The project, which I'll give you the details, is exactly the same, offering the same sizes which were mostly rented in 2024. Now, if you see the value in the volume, you will see the rapid growth. So, international setup, company setup in Dubai overall in Q1 2025, upline office sales transaction volume Q1 2025, and upline office transaction volume in Q1 2025. Small and mid-sized units, the hottest segments for investment. Here are some transaction, office sale transaction by unit size, which were taken in 2025. So these both are upline and ready as well. So in business pay, there were total 316 transaction in Jumeirah Lakes Tower, JLT, 222. Both these are very famous places for any businesses, any companies. Mostly businesses, they prefer to open a company business, rent an office in these places. And Motor City were 130 transaction, Barsha Heights were 88 transaction, in Dubai Silicon Oasis DSO was 41 transaction. Rising demand, limited supply, a perfect investors market. So growth driven by limited new supply, improved sentiment, and increased investor demand for mature, well located asset. New supply is being observed quickly due to occupier preferences for modern building with premium amenities and smart feature. The market faces a significant supply shortage with only 1,400 new units under construction between 2025 to 2028, which is insufficient to meet the growing demand. In Q2 2025, the average office sale price reached 3.38 million, a 42% quarter-on-quarter increase. Upline sales jumped 180% year to year and 90% with half two of 2024, fueled by demand for modern, innovative-led aligned spaces. So these are Dubai office transaction by value. In Q1 2023, 1.1 billion. These are in dirhams. In Q2 2023, 1.2 billion. In Q3 2023 was 1.2 billion. In Q1 2024 was 1.5 billion. In Q4 2024 was 2.2 billion. In Q1 2025 was 2.8 billion. Here we see new offices requirements. Occupancy at record highs. The occupancy rate in any commercial properties are very high in Dubai. Dubai holds the second highest high office occupancy rate globally at 92%, with projection to exceed 94% by year 2025. The average office leasing price in Q2 2025 reached 480,000, reflected in average 24% annual rental increase over the past 3 years. Selected prime areas recorded up to 95% rental growth within a single year. The trend undercovers strong demand from prime location and mid-sized unit as businesses increasingly seek higher quality office spaces to upgrade their premises. Rising rents, strong demand will further driven rents up to 13% in Dubai. Supply shortage expansion are underway, but demands outpasses supply. This data is given by the Radon. So as you see the plan, the existing office supply, we are here. I make this presentation to give you all the details about commercial and Dubai. So business licenses. Dubai has experienced a robust growth in new business license issuance in recent years, reflecting among economic confidence in pro-business reforms. Rising number of business licenses directly fuels demand for office spaces, creating a strong outlook for commercial real estate. So this is the summary of business license in Dubai from 2022 to 2024, and along with the year growth rate. So here, this is 2022. In 2022, year growth, year-to-year increase was 32%. License were issued 95,395. In 2023, increase year-to-year growth was 34%, and here you see the license issue was 127,424. In 2024, 15%, and how many licenses were issued? 147,000 licenses were issued. So license issued during 2022 to 2024. 2022, the rates go higher. The growth goes higher and higher. Arjan is centrally located. It's located in the center of new business hub. So this is the second biggest road in Dubai, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. This is Al Khail Road. This is Sakim Road, and this is Hissa Street. So from the Alex, it takes only 10 minutes to reach Dubai Hills, 15 minutes to Mall of the Emirates. From here, it takes 15 to 18 minutes to reach to Business Bay, downtown. And from here, it takes from Arjan, it takes 15 to 18 minutes to DXP International Airport, and 18 to 20 minutes to Al Maktoum International Airport, and to JBR it takes around 20 minutes. So it's very, very centrally located and have access most of the biggest road in Dubai. This is the plot of the Alex, and this is Sakim Road. So from here it takes only 1 minute to Sakim to the Alex, and to the Dubai Miracle Garden it takes only 1 minute. So the plot of this project is only 1 minute from Dubai Miracle Garden and 1 minute to the future metro station. This is the actual plot location of the Alex commercial office in Arjan. This is the Alex by Mulk International. Premium boutique office spaces, retail spaces in vibrant F&B hub and courtyard. We have only 71 units in this all project and only 2 retails. The configuration, we have 2 basement. We have 2 basement. We have, this is the ground floor, and then we have 6th floor and rooftop. It have 5 high-speed elevators for only 71 boutique offices, 234 dedicated basement parking spaces, boutique offices layouts in premium finishes and balcony access. 24/7 security surveillance, shell and core offices, have high-end finishes, elegant balconies, grand entrance and lobby, floor to ceiling height, windows, ceiling height is 3.2 meter. Office sizes we have from 900 to 3000 square feet, and half floor size is 10,500 square feet, and full floor size is 21,000 square feet. Price is starting from 2,000 to 2,200 per square feet, and the unit starting price is from AED 2.2 million plus 5% VAT applicable on the purchase price. For the retail, we have only 2 retails. It's these are duplex retails. So total size of the two retails is 26,000 square feet. Retail one size is 11,634 square feet, and the other retail size is 15,395 square feet. So we are selling as only 2 units, but the investor, they can also make multiple short retails units. One thing, offices can be combined if required. It's tailor-made offices on request, and provision on each offices to make a private washroom, pantries apart from the common areas. Investment opportunity overview. So I will show you here some investment overview for the investment in this project. So this is a very high opportunity. The Alex is a luxury boutique commercial development offering premium grade A office spaces with high-end specification, and it simply raises the bar for luxury office spaces with an excellent connectivity and visibility. An above market high ROI commercial investment. Diversify your portfolio with premium commercial property in one of Dubai fasting evolving business districts. Strategic location, as I showed you earlier, the location, it's a very close, just 10 minutes to Dubai Hills Mall. And just want to let you know that Dubai Hills Mall, Dubai Hills, the offices belongs to Imar, and Imar is not selling any office there. Close to major highways, as I show you already. It's a very 1 minute to Sakim Road. Sheikh Mohammed, it's very close to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, which is the second biggest road. Hissa Street and Al Khail Road, which will connect you Al Khail Road to Business Bay to downtown. Hissa Street will connect you to the Marina and JBR. So located in Arjan, luxury boutique office spaces, as I show you, which also have, most of the office spaces have elegant balconies, grade A spaces. Expected ROI for this one is 12% ROI. Expected occupancy rate is 90%. So Alex, shaping tomorrow business address. The Alex is a statement of style, functionality and elegance in one of Dubai's most strategic location in fast evolving business districts. So some feature is they will have floor to ceiling glass windows, high speed elevators, 5 elevators. There will be 5 elevators only for 71 offices, shell and core offices. So you don't need to do any finishing or anything. You will get shell and core. And another thing is it's walking distance to the future metro station. Only 71 office spaces, 234 car parking for only 71 premium offices. 2 high-end retails, as I show you, we have 26,000 square feet, both of them. One is 11,000, another one is 16,000. High occupancy rate. The size is from 900 to 3,000 square feet, as I show you earlier. Most of the offices were rented in 2024 were the size from 1,000 to 3,000 square feet. Now competitive advantage and value creation. So Arjan's offer the highest yield and lowest entry ticket unmatched for commercial investors. So if you are interested in commercial property, this is an entry point for you to enter into commercial property. And so location Arjan, the price per square feet for commercial is 1,900 to 2,000 per square feet. So if we see the price entry barrier is very, very low. Okay, traffic entry exit, easy entry and exit. The good thing in Arjan is that there are not too much traffic, so it's very easy entry and exit. As Business Bay, there are too much traffic, and so the ROI will be very high. Business Bay, the price per square feet 5,500. Price entry is very, very higher. Okay, if you are first time investor, it's hard for you to enter to Business Bay. Traffic, too much traffic congestion. And ROI, it's medium. Sheikh Zayed Road, on Sheikh Zayed Road, we have commercial price per square feet 4,000 to 5,000 per square feet. Price entry, it's medium, modern traffic congestion. ROI will be medium. Motor City, price per square feet 1,800 2,000. Price entry, it's low, but it's little bit far, and high traffic congestion, and the ROI there will be also low as compared to other areas. Okay, now these are some listings in 2025 which were taken some screenshots, and this is now investment financial summary. So case, okay, so we 2025 26 27, if you like expecting rented per square feet 250 dirham as a base year, okay, and in the worst case scenario it will be 282 per square feet, and in the best case scenario will be 300 per square feet, and 2027 will be, and the worst case scenario will be 319, and in the best case scenario will be 360. Average square feet 1,000, okay, and total revenue 250,000, total service charge 17,000. This is just a base, okay. And so if we see in the worst case in 2026 17,000, and the best 17,000 in 2027 again. So expected return on investment will be 233,000 as in 2025 is a base year, and 2026 will be 265 up to 283 in the best case scenario, in 2027 300 to up to 343. So expected rental net rental yield will be 10% as a base year, and in the worst case scenario in 26 12%, in the best case scenario will be 12.83 in 2027, and the worst case scenario will be 13.71%, and in the best case scenario will be 15.5%. So above this calculation, what you see, these calculation are expected rental return is based on current market rents and price in similar areas, office spaces. So Dubai, a market drive for investment, as global companies set up regional hubs here in Dubai, and homegrown enterprises scale rapidly. There is an undersupply upgrade office spaces in Dubai, and so this is the future growth backed by opportunity. So Alex commercial office spaces in early bird investment opportunity, entry at early stage pricing. Arjan is the next business hub. As I show you, it's centrally located. It will give you high ROI because of the lower prices and stable and tax-free rental income, long-term capital appreciation, fully backed by market demand and plus macro trends. No parking hustle, as I show you how many parkings we have for only 71 office spaces. Easy entry and exit, no traffic congestion. It's a very good point. Also we have 5 high-speed elevators and limited inventory. Capitalize on Dubai's commercial real estate boom. It have a very flexible payment plan, 50-50, 50% during construction and 50% on handover, 10% down payment, 10% on SPA, and 50% on handover in Q3 2027. If you are an investor or business owner, the Alex Commercial offers long-term rental income and high capital appreciation. Contact me now for more details. Thank you for watching.